Open source communities make up a distinct form of organizing in which individuals from around the world contribute to develop software that can be used with few restrictions. Scholars generally assume that knowledge flows freely in these digital communities that are spread out globally, but have not tested this assumption. So, does knowledge really flow freely across geographic regions in these communities? Or is knowledge geographically localized even in these digital communities? Researchers tested these questions by investigating the locations from which new projects in these communities are initiated. If agglomeration, or the concentration of project initiation activity in specific regions, takes place, it can have profound effects over the future of open source development. By studying data from a popular open source community, GitHub, researchers found noticeable geographic agglomeration of project initiation activity in these digital communities. Additionally, the rates of new and spin-off projects initiated from a particular region tend to grow with increased prior project initiation activity in that region. This shows that tacit knowledge underlying project initiation activity is sticky and does not flow freely, and can influence the rate of projects initiated going forward. But the effect has limitations, often petering out past a certain level of prior project initiation activity. Over time, diseconomies can evolve as project initiation activity in the digital community from a given location slowly dwindles. Curious to understand agglomeration effects in open source communities? If so, you may want to read this paper.